beautiful souls, how are you guys doing? I'm so sorry July का video of how the month of July नहीं आ पाया. Actually, I wasn't feeling that well. I had a little back issue and then I had to go on a bed rest. So मैं वो नहीं कर पाई. So I'm so sorry for that. Apologies for that. But I have something very, very interesting and amazing for you. So we are in July, which means half the year of is gone already and we are in the second half of the year. So I thought, no worries if I have missed the July video. Why not bring out to you how our rest of the 2021 is going to be for all of us, कि July as well as the rest of 2021 वो हमारा कैसा जाएगा, हमको क्या करना है, what precautions we need to do, how we need to go forward, ये सब मैंने लाया है in how our rest of the months of 2021 is going to be for you. And the cherry on the cake is मैंने कुछ messages लिखे हैं जो मैंने channel किए हैं. I have got that channelized message from universe, that higher power, and I have incorporated them. मैंने वो अपने video में incorporate किया है. So please let me know how did you like the video. So now let's get directly into the video. Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll see how the remaining months are going to be in 2021 for all of us. हम ये देखेंगे कि हमारा जो बचा हुआ 6 months है वो कैसा रहेगा हम सब के लिए. So as usual हमारे पास 3 piles है, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. पाइल 1 में हमारे पास एक ब्यूटिफुल रोज क्वार्ट्स है which is like a beautiful love crystal. Secondly, we have this amazing moonstone for you which is like very, very pretty. And third, we have this leopolite crystal which is purple lavender in color. So I will just have a frame for you guys to choose from. मैं इसका एक शॉट रख दूंगी सो दैट आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये कैसा है. सो हम चूज कैसे करेंगे, प्लीज क्लोज योर आईज फॉर अ मिनट एंड मेडिटेट हाउ द रिमेनिंग मंथ ऑफ 2021 इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर यू. आप ये सोचिए मन में कि आपका रिमेनिंग मंथ्स 2021 में कैसा होगा और आपको एक नंबर मन में आएगा या जो 3 क्रिस्टल है उसका इमेज आपके सामने आएंगे, या फिर आप चिट में 1, 2, 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. whichever number comes in the chit will be your pile to choose from. So I hope guys this is very, very clear to you, and now let's start with our reading. So pile 1, you guys have chosen this beautiful pink rose quartz bracelet. So I'm sure a lot of love is going to come your way in the remaining months of 2021, and also there is going to be a lot of self love is what I'm seeing. Also this I am also seeing that whatever doubts that you will have about yourself, doubting yourself, criticizing yourself, whatever unworthiness that you might be feeling about you will all be going, and you will be a lot more confident. So I'm going to keep this aside here, and let's see first what your tarot cards are saying. Wow, you've got Temperance, you have got 3 of Wands, and you have got the Hanged Man. So in the remaining months of 2021 it is going to be a lot more balanced. I feel you are going to have a balance of material things as well as the spiritual things. It's going to be well balanced. You are going to have a harmonious life is what I am getting. Also some of you might get into meditation is what I am feeling. Some of you might the cards are saying that the time is to execute. Do not wait for things to fall in place for you. Take action, be in the execution process, and also keep your ego aside in the coming 6 months is what I'm getting. A lot of you will also get into physical exercises, what I'm believing, and some of you will wait for the results, for the inputs that you have put in. आपने जो भी मेहनत किया है उसका result के लिए you guys will be waiting. So just don't wait, follow up on people. आपको जिससे follow up करना है, do that as well, and just don't wait. Execution is the key is what I am getting. Also the cards are saying that be very flexible in your approach, like be very your goal can be one, but be very flexible in your approach. So don't be adamant कि मुझे एक ही path follow करना है. No, be flexible about it and move ahead with your goals. Angels are also with you is what I am getting. Now we have seen that हमारे tarot cards क्या बोल रहे हैं. Let's see हमारे angel cards क्या बोल रहे हैं. So the self-nurturing activity for the next 6 months that you have to do is meditate. See, here also when we saw, I told you that, some of you guys will meditate. So the cards are telling you that, in the coming 6 months, you can meditate, whatever answers that you are seeking, the law of attraction practices that you are doing. आप अगर meditate करेंगे and also अगर आप crystal के साथ meditate करेंगे, open air में meditate करेंगे, nature के साथ meditate करेंगे, सनलाइट में मेडिटेट करेंगे तो आपको बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा. यूनिवर्स विल टॉक टू यू इन मेडिटेशन, गिव यू साइंस इन मेडिटेशन इज ऑल्सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. The next card is with regards to money. The card is saying that, for money, the law of attraction adds power to both problems and solutions. तो ये कार्ड हमको ये बता रहा है, this card is telling us that कि whatever you give energy to, whatever you think the most is going to add power to it. तो अगर आप problems के बारे में सोचेंगे तो the law of attraction, the universe is going to give more प्रॉब्लम्स टू यू. पर अगर आप सोल्यूशंस पे फोकस करेंगे तो कार्ड्स, द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज सेइंग, टेल्स यू दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी मोर सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर टू यू. सो नाउ इट इज अप टू यू कि आपको कहाँ पे एनर्जी फोकस करना है. Right? So the next card for love, what we have to say is reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life, तो आपके past में जो भी अगर रहेगा, your love related person is going to come back to you. So yeah, be very open about that. Somebody from your past is going to come to you if you are single, and if you are committed, just be aware that some things from past are going to return. So be very, very careful about it and take your approach very carefully. Now let's see how our health is going to be. So sunlight. So in the coming 6 months, the angels, Archangel Raphael is telling us that be more focused towards sunlight. Vitamin D3 will be of importance. Eating right amount of fruits and vegetables, organic food will be of importance. Also understand that the benefits of sunshine and how important it is for you to have sunlight in your life. So don't sit in a lot of homes where sunlight doesn't come. So be that way. Now let's see what we need to surrender for the next 6 months. Surrender resentments. Wow, what beautiful card you have got. It says holding on to resentments only poisons you. Try forgiving others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive life situations. So yeah, don't hold grudges. If you let people go and forgive them, you are going to breathe fresh air, you are going to feel much more lighter, you are going to feel much more positive. So don't hold any grudges, resentment or anger towards anybody. Now finally, let's see what blessings are coming. A blessing from your ancestors. So in coming 6 months, be assured that your ancestors from your past are blessing you. You may get signs, you may get pictures, you may get things to do, your things might work out, you will get ideas, you will get things to do. So execute on those ideas. So that is why meditation is important. So when we say that how will ancestors bless us, they may come in our dreams, they may give us a picture. So try talking to you, talking to your ancestors, think about them, and something or the other will come up. So yeah, this was your reading, pile 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this reading about how your coming 6 months or the rest of your 2021 is going to be for you. So before we wrap up, I have मैंने channel messages किए हैं where I was just telling the universe that please give me messages for people who will choose pile 1, how their 2021 is going to be, what messages are there. So I'm quickly going to choose a card for you, choose a thing for you. So I will choose this. It says, miracles are my birthright. So, pile one, the universe is telling you that please believe in miracles, that miracles can happen to you and will happen to you. तो आप miracles में विश्वास रखिए और आप ऐसे बोलिए कि miracles is the way of my life, you know. तो miracles आपके life में होंगे. So, whatever you put your energy to, you are going to attract. So, the universe is telling you that put your energy to believing that miracles will happen in your life, and they will happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reading, and let me know in the comment section below how was it. See you until my next video. Hi Pile 2, you guys have chosen this beautiful moonstone bracelet, which means that, you know, your intuition is going to be of importance, your intuition is going to be high, calmness is going to come in your life, your mood swings are going to reduce. So yes, this was a sign, and I'm keeping this bracelet aside. And now let's see what your tarot cards have to say for you, that how your coming 6 months are going to be for you, the remaining months of 2021. Wow, you've got the Sun, the 8 of Cups, and the 7 of Cups. Wow, so of course this coming months of 2021 is kind of going to be emotional for you, because you have got cups around, but you have also got the Sun, which means that, you know, it's going to be a lot more positive emotions will flow. You are going to be much more transparent, you're going to be much more happier. So, you know, recently I am, you know, so let's connect the dots. You would be feeling some kind of things that you want to leave behind, you want to just start afresh, you want to move on. You might be feeling all that, you know. You are probably frustrated from your life, or mundane routine se aap bore ho gaye ho. So the cards are, so you will probably move out of that. Probably you have a lot of options to choose from, you know, because you are right now feeling mundane and you're feeling boring and you want to start afresh. There are a lot of options to choose from. Probably there will be option of taking a break or starting something new, doing a business, changing a job. There will be a lot of options आपके सामने होंगे, and then the options that you choose will result into a positive outcome for you. So once you choose that thing, it is going to be much more fruitful, much more positive, much more brighter. You're going to be much more happy. Times are going to come for you. There is going to be a lot of joy in your life. You are also going to travel. That is what I am seeing. You're going to be in open air, around in nature. You're going to be successful in what you do. So, you know, the cards are telling that, right, no matter if you're feeling frustrated or you're feeling sad or you want to give up on things, just don't give up. आप पहले बैठिए, समझिए कि आपके पास options क्या क्या है, how can you move forward, how can you not feel what you're currently feeling, and then move forward. And once you move forward taking that option, आपका बहुत bright remaining 2021 hoga. So choose your options carefully, guys. So now let's see what our angel cards have to say. We begin with what self-care activity you need to do. Drink tea. So it can be green tea, it can be herbal tea, it can be tea that you like. So the cards are telling that, you know, drinking tea is beneficial for you. That means I'm not telling you to have lot of caffeine, but you can have lot of tea that can benefit. You know, sometimes people can want to have ginger tea to feel refreshed. So the cards are telling, you know, whenever you feel clouded, or whenever you feel that things are not working and you need a little refreshment in life, tea can help you, you know, specifically herbal tea, which has lot of herbs, because herbs are something that, you know, refreshes us, calms us down, cleanses us as well. So yes, you know, self-care activity will be that. And now let's see what money message we have for us. I can't tell stories of shortage and experience abundance. So the cards are telling that pile 2, you are kind of a person, you know, who wants abundance, but whenever anybody asks you about money, you are telling stories of shortage, which means in your mind you want abundance, but if somebody is asking you how's your job going on, you will say it's going boring. How is your business going on? यार बहुत ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. So So you're not giving that vibration that universe can match, you know. You, in one side, you want a lot of money, you want a lot of abundance, but you know, you're constantly cribbing about things, that things are not going fine, things are not moving ahead fast. So that cribbing nature about money or abundance, you have to stop. So once you stop that cribbing nature, abundance is automatically going to fall in place. So this was your money message. Now let's see about love message. Forgiving and learning. So the cards are telling us, whether you are committed or in single, you know, learn from your mistakes and forgive people. You know, there might be people in past who have hurted you, hurted your feelings, mistreated you. So learn from that, you know, why they treated you like that. There was a learning that was hidden. So take that learning and forgive them and move on. Because if you hold on to that pain, if you hold on to that grudge, if you hold on कि why that happened with me, ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, you're not going to release. And if you're not going to release, you're not going to heal. And if you're not going to heal your past, how come you're going to experience positive experiences in future? If you're not going to heal and move forward in a next relationship, you're going to attract the same circumstances. आप वो सब वापस attract करोगे. So पहले आप release करिए, फिर आप फॉरगिव करिए वो पास्ट को, और फिर फ्यूचर में जो भी आएगा वो बहुत अच्छा पर्सन आएगा आपके साथ. एंड नाउ इफ़ यू आर आस्किंग मी, अगर आप कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप में हो, अगर आप मैरिड हो, तो आपको तो हाउ विल दिस कार्ड वर्क फॉर यू? इट मीन्स दैट आपके और आपके पार्टनर के बीच में पहले जितने भी जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हुई है, उससे आप लर्न करिए, एक दूसरे को फॉरगिव करिए, एंड देन मूव ऑन, and that will have a scope of improvement in the relationship, right? So forgive and release the past. That is the key note here. Now let's see how our health is going to be in the coming 6 months. Easy does it. Dear Archangel Raphael, please help me detach, retreat and let go so that healing can occur. So कभी कभी कैसे लगता है, अगर हमको कोई एलमेंट हुआ है, हमको कोई डिसीज़ हुआ है, कोई बैक पेन हुआ है, हमको क्या लगता है, ओ गॉड हमारे साथ कैसे हो गया, क्या हो गया? But say that, you know, whatever has happened, it will resolve easily. Whatever is happening to me, whatever disease is there, whether it is cough, cold, back pain, or any serious disease as well, if you have, just say that, you know, it will get cured easily, because I have the right kind of doctors with me, I have the right kind of healing with me, and universe will provide me with all that things that I need in my life, so that I can get rid of this as quickly as possible. So अपना माइंड बहुत ओपन रखिए, एंड बी वेरी ओपन दैट, यू नो, वॉट एवर हैज़ कम टू मी विल गेट आउट ऑफ माई बॉडी very very easily, you know. So that is about our health message. Now let's see what we need to surrender. Surrender to your full power. So I am reading the message for you. See, you've got the lion here, you know, you've got the lion energy, which means you have the power to do everything. So surrender to that power. Your life is calling for you to step into your full power rather than playing it small. So cards are telling that, you know, small सोचना बंद करिए, डरना बंद करिए. You have got that lion fierce energy. You can do anything. Have that confidence and move ahead. You know, surrender that, you know, whatever will happen big and will happen amazing. So have that full power on you, with you. Now and one more thing, the cards are saying that, you know, I'm getting that somewhere, that, you know, don't tell your plans in advance. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve, keep it to yourself and don't tell it to a lot of people, because if you tell it to a lot of people, you're probably attracting a lot of negativity and people are jealous of you probably. Now let's see what blessings are coming. A blessing on growing older. Wow, what beautiful card to say and get. The cards are here telling us that, you know, you're getting a blessing as you're growing older. You're getting a blessing. You're getting a blessing that you're becoming more wiser. You are becoming a calmer person. You're becoming a more matured person. You're realizing what you actually want in life, and, you know, you are becoming one with your own self. आप खुद को पहचानने लगे हो, आप खुद को जानने लगे हो, आप खुद पे मेहनत कर रहे हो, आपको जो चाहिए आप उस पे मेहनत कर रहे हो. पहले आप लोगों के लिए जीते थे, पहले आप लोगों के लिए सब कुछ कर रहे थे, बट एज एंड व्हेन यू आर ग्रोइंग ओल्ड, आप लोगों ने आपको जो जैसे जैसे सर्कमस्टेंसेस में लाया है, आपने उनसे सीखा है और पॉजिटिवली आपने लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाया है. सो द कार्ड्स आर टेलिंग यू, एज एंड व्हेन यू ग्रो ओल्डर, यू आर गोइंग टू बी मच मोर बेटर पर्सन. आपके मूड स्विंग्स कम हो जाएंगे, आप नेचर के करीब जाओगे, आप में बहुत मैच्योरिटी आएगी, आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे एडवाइजेस दोगे. सो यू नो, ऑल दैट आर गोइंग टू कम टू यू. So yes guys, these were your angel messages, and before going I want to just pick up few chits from you for you. मैंने ना चैनल मैसेजेस किए. मैं जब ये वीडियो बनाने बैठी थी मैंने यूनिवर्स को बोला प्लीज़ मुझे मैसेजेस दीजिए जो मैं ये वीडियो में ला सकूँ. सो आई हैव रिटन समथिंग, सो आई विल जस्ट पिक अप, यू नो. दो आए तो लेट्स सी. Resting is rejuvenation. Wow. So there was a card here also, you know, easy does it. So the cards are telling us that, you know, resting, अगर आप रेस्ट करोगे तो आप rejuvenate होंगे. तो जब भी आप रेस्ट कर रहे हो तो खुद को गिल्टी मत फील करना कि आज मैंने दिन वेस्ट कर दिया या मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्टिव नहीं किया, क्योंकि आप रेस्ट कर रहे हो तो आप खुद को, बॉडी को रिजुविनेट कर रहे हो और माइंड को भी. तो इससे आपका ही फ़ायदा होगा. एंड लाइफ इज़ अमेजिंग. सो कार्ड इज़ टेलिंग यू दैट सी अगेन दिस इज़ सो मैचिंग विद द कार्ड. ईजी डज it and life is amazing. So just believe that your life is amazing and the universe is going to align you with that energy, you know. So yes guys, this was your pick a card reading for how your coming months of 2021 are going to be for you. So let me know in the comment section below, how was it for you? Hello pile 3, how are you guys doing? You guys have chosen this beautiful Leopolite crystal, which is a crystal of healing anxiety, healing mental issues. So you know, आपका जो भी अगर mental clarity नहीं था, if you're dealing with a lot of anxiety, people who are suffering from mental illness, certain kind of panic attacks or anything, the cards, you know, this choosing this crystal says that, you know, all that is going to come down and you're going to heal yourself. आप ऐसे activities में जाने वाले हैं which are going to heal you. So now let's see what your cards are saying. Firstly, your tarot cards. Oh my god, what beautiful cards to get, and this crystal says it all. You know, I said that this is going to calm you down, bring your anxiety down. And you have got the Knight of Cups, the Lovers, and the Wheel of Fortune. So now when I link all these cards, I feel that there is some person who is going to come to you. It can be a friend, it can be a lover, it can be a person whom you are very fond of, or that person is very fond of you. That is going to bring happy changes for you. It's going to bring out the best for you. It's going to bring emotionally good news for you. You know, that person is going to be a person who is going to uplift you mentally so much. It's going to bring a lot of positivity for you. Also, the next thing, so there is a chance that, you know, you might get into a committed relationship, and if not, then probably you will, there is some kind of business partnership is coming to me, and angels are going to bless you. The caution here is there is a very thin line between lust and passion and getting what you want. So you know, don't cross that line somewhere. मतलब आपको बहुत सारे choices मिलेंगे तो आप greed में मत चले जाना, आप moderate रहना. You know, you have angel blessings with you, you have lot of choice, you have lot of passion with you, but आप कहीं ना कहीं डिविएट मत हो जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिजनेस में भी अगर बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस कर रहा है, बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल कर रहा है, तो ग्रीड में मत आ जाना कि आप कुछ गलत स्टेप उठाओ और बाद में भुगतना पड़े, यू नो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड यू हैव गॉट व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून, विच मीन्स आपका लक चेंज होने वाला है, आपका फॉर्च्यून बदलने वाला है. पॉजिटिव थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू कम टू यू इन बिजनेस, इन लव लाइफ, इफ यू आर स्टूडेंट, then also I'm seeing that, you know, a lot of people are going to learn more in their field. They are going to develop their skill more. Also here again I'm getting that, you know, लोगों का negativity affect मत होने देना. There are a lot of people who are going to tell you a lot of things कि अरे ऐसे क्यों कर लिया, अरे वैसे क्यों कर लिया, ये करते तो बेटर होता, वो करते तो बेटर होता. उन सब के बारे में मत सोचना. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप सही है, आपने सही डिसीजन लिया है, तो स्टिक टू इट. विच मीन्स मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोगों के साथ रूड हो जाना, लोगों का क्रिटिसिज्म मत लेना. अगर वो कंस्ट्रक्टिव है तो सुनना, बट अगर लोग बिना मतलब कि आपको कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, don't listen to them, and please uplift your skills, and you will, which I am seeing. So let's keep this aside and let's see what your tarot cards are saying. First, let's see what self-care activity we have. Write a gratitude list. What a beautiful card to get. And it is also in alignment to these cards, you know. Once you write this gratitude list about the people that you're grateful, you are going to get more such people that life is going to bless you with. And also one more thing I forgot to tell you, that some of you guys will actually travel in the remaining months of 2021 is also what I am getting. And it will be a leisure travel is what I am getting, you know. And for rejuvenation is what I'm getting. So yeah, please, in the next remaining months of 2021, please have a gratitude list for you have a gratitude list, pile 3. Now let's see what money card you have got. You've got, I can see my world through the eyes of my source, which means, you know, cards are telling you that visualize whatever money goals that you have, visualize, write it, think big, that अगर आपको अगर achieve करना है 20 lakhs in a year, you know, write it down, see it, visualizing कि you have 20 lakhs in your bank account. What are you going to do with that 20 lakhs? Are you going to put it into business? Are you going to have a world tour? Whatever it is, you know, just write it down is what the cards are telling. You know, see a vision, basically. That is what the cards are saying for money. Now let's see about your love. Flirt. Wow, what beautiful card to say. So if you are single, the cards are saying that, you know, talk to people and talk to people, extend a little light-hearted energy to others, you know, which means you are also going to get the similar energy back. And if you are in a committed relationship or are you married, so this indicates that, you know, have that lightheartedness in back in your relationship. Flirt with your partner, have that playfulness around, that is going to bring back the spiciness or bring back the fun in your relationship is what I'm getting. And if you're single, then of course have lightheartedness toward, be open to receive that from the other person as well. Now your health message is use your natural healing abilities. So the message is, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for clearly guiding, encouraging and supporting me in my healing work. Which means that, you know, the cards are saying that we all have healing abilities. हम सबके पास healing abilities होती है. We have our mind, so we can heal ourselves. So use that whenever you feel little down, you're dealing with any problem. So you can use your own natural abilities to heal yourself. But this doesn't mean that आप अगर कोई डॉक्टर के प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में हो या डॉक्टर के एडवाइस में हो, you do it otherwise. This has to be done in conjunction with your doctor's medication or advice. This cannot replace any kind of medicine. Please note that. Or doctor's advice as well. Now let's see what we have to surrender. Surrender the outdated beliefs about yourself. Wow, what beautiful card to say, card to get. We have got Wheel of Fortune, which means, you know, we have our fortune will change for better, and for that we need to surrender our outdated beliefs, right? So, you know, surrender whatever belief that you had which are no longer serving you, let them go and have positive beliefs about yourself, and your life is going to be much more happier and better and positive as well. And also I'm seeing that, you know, some of you will surely go towards nature is what I am getting. And what blessing to get, like, can it get better? Group 3, a blessing to shield and safeguard you. I can see Archangel Michael all around, his energy all around to safeguard you, to shield you. So whenever you are in trouble, आपको लग रहा है कोई negativity है, you're not feeling well, you're feeling low, somebody is draining your energy, just call upon Archangel Michael and tell him that cut all the negative cords from all the people and things that are not serving me, and protect my energy and protect me from everything that is not serving me. Also, I am getting that your mood swings are going to get reduced a lot and you are going to have much more peace. So yes guys, this was your pick a card reading of how your remaining months of 2021 is going to be. And before going, I have this channel message जो मैंने लिखे थे before starting of the video कि what universe wants to give you a message. I'm going to pick up a card, pick up a chit for you. So it says, calmness is my superpower. I just said that you guys are going to get calmer, and this is reassuring you that you are going to get calmness, and calmness is going to be your superpower in coming months for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pick a card reading of how your coming 6 months are going to be. Please let me know in the comment section below how was it for you guys. I will see you until my next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of how the remaining month of 2021 is going to be for you. Let me know आपने कौन सा pile choose किया, आपने कैसे, आपको कैसा लगा ये video. I'll be more than happy to read your comments and I'll see you until my next video. Till then, please be kind, please be non-judgmental and always love and care unconditionally. See you until my next video.